Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics Sdn Bhd. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a temperature and humidity display panels. The size of the panel is 530mm and the height of the panel is 370mm. You can see that the character height is 140mm. Let's start our presentation today. So we have a 24 watt power supply over here. So whenever you see the supply is 16 watt, it's taking about 0.138 or 1314 M. So let's say I increase the power to 24 watt. So 24 watt actually basically is a industrial standard. So basically it's less than 0.1 M. See that the power consumption is very low. So when I lower down, let's say to 12 watt, so you can see that the M increased to 0.16. So let's say I lower down. So my minimum is 10 watt. So if let's say less than 10 watt, right, the display will automatically cut off. And see that there's no. So slowly increase back. You can see that 9 watt. It should appear. So the panel is restart. So let's pump in some signal on the temperature side. So you see that. So even though I pump in, taking 0.2 M. So let's say I put it as 24 watt. That means it's our standard 24 watt. So 24 watt. So slowly decrease. 24 watt. 0.09. So when pump in, even though during the operation also 0.1 M only. So same goes to humidity. So this is how it looks like. So of course my maximum can go up to 26 watt. More than that, then we have to be careful. If let's say spike for a while like 32 M and come back, it still should be okay, but not too long. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.